Hello and welcome to another brief video help with Derek. I'm Derek Schimming, I'm Danita's husband. In my session today, I want to talk about the essential rewards, or as I like to say, the benefits of essential rewards. Now, I do know that some of you consider being an essential rewards a burden, and you shouldn't. To maintain a wholesale relationship with Young Living, you have to spend $50 a month in your essential rewards. If you're a business builder, it needs to be $100 or more. Now, this is not to say that you need to add $50 or $100 to your monthly budget or more. This is really, my suggestion is to encourage you to do a walking inventory of your home, inside your home, looking for the products and things that you are buying at the grocery store, at the Targets and Walmarts of this world, things that you could be buying from yourself. So you wouldn't be spending more money, it's redirecting the monies that you're already spending. And chances are you're going to get a better price. You're going to save money because you're a wholesale member, number one. You're going to get better quality products, number two. They're toxin free, so that's a fantastic situation. And number four, you're building a business. You're supporting yourself. But how many of you are using, say, the laundry detergent? If you have anyone in your home with sensitive skin, the laundry detergent is a great product. You know, I'm a big-time user of the Charette. I love this stuff. That'll take care of essential rewards in any given month. Or do you take any energy drinks, Red Bulls of any kind? Well, why not use nitro? Why would I buy something from the grocer that I sell myself? Why would you do that? But what about the skincare? What about the makeup? I know you ladies can be very particular about your makeups and your skin regimen. But how many of you tried this? And my girls, I have a house full of women, and they love this stuff. As a matter of fact, I was pleasantly surprised to hear my daughters say, "Oh my gosh, this is the best makeup ever." So take it from a beautiful 20-year-old girl that says this is great makeup, who seems to be authority on the subject. What about the lotions? What about the shampoos? What about toothpaste? And I mean, there's all kinds of things. So have you done a walking inventory of your home to determine what products you have that you could be buying from yourself, getting higher quality, no toxins, supporting your own business, redirecting funds, and instead of coming up with new monies, it's redirecting and taking away from the money you're spending at the grocery store, and it gets delivered to your door. How convenient is that? As my wife would call it, she calls them porch presents. I can't even say that with a straight face, but porch presents. You know, you get reduced shipping. At the $100 level, you get free oils in your 3rd, 6th, 9th, and 12th month. I understand this month the free oil is frankincense, of all things, which is very expensive. Talk about a reward. You get some special perks and some discounts on some other things. I mean, the Essential Reward Program is a benefit. It shouldn't cost you anything. It should be saving you money. It should be helping you build your business. As a matter of fact, it shouldn't cost you anything in the fact that you could actually be making money on your Young Living business if you chose to do that. You're not talking about spending $100 a month. You're talking about making $200 or $300 or $400 a month by sharing this with others. Go back and look at my "Oh, by the way" video and take the time to interject your passion and your how you like the Young Living products, the essential oils and the other things you've tried. Have you brought that into conversation with your family and friends? Do you do, "Oh, by the way, I just tried Young Living's toothpaste and it's great. Oh, by the way, the Thieves Cleaner just got recognized as being one of the best cleaning products our readers can't live without. Young Living Thieves Household Cleaner. This concentrated cleaner is plant-based and toxin-free, and readers love the infusion of essential oils. One reader said, hands down, the best cleaner ever." Can you make that testimony? Are you using the product? So not only is it not costing you anything, it should be saving you, getting you better stuff, and if you choose to do so, and some free stuff, and if you choose to do so, it could be a home-based business that you could easily do just because of your passion. It's not talking about twisting people's arm. You know, a very wise man once said, "Find your passion and pursue it, and the money will follow." So if you look at the things that you love, "Oh, by the way, I cannot believe how much I love XYZ. Interject that and throw that into conversation with your family and friends. Next thing you know, it's not spending money. It's I got this check from Young Living. How amazing is this? Oh, by the way, it's the first video I recorded and posted in this session. So why don't you go back and look at that. But take the time to learn more about the essential rewards and the benefits and the things that you can do. You do not have to spend additional monies. Let's just make sure we're smart about the monies we are spending. Okay? If you have any questions, send Danita a message. You could even send me one, but she's going to be the one that answers it anyway. So drop us a note. And we'd love to hear your questions, comments, if there's any topics you'd like me to cover. If there's anything you have that you would like to see me discuss, send me a message and I'll be more than happy to record it for you. You guys have a great day. I'm Derek Schimming.